So hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn how to learn Python, and you can use this thing, introduction to Python absolute beginner. The course's link is in description. You have to create an account in edX. If you have an account, you can just do this course, enroll it, and do this course online. It is absolutely free, and it is collaborated with Microsoft Azure notebooks. And here you can write your Python. These are Jupyter notebooks where you can write Python, and it is collaborated with Azure notebooks. So the first function I have to want to tell you that print is the first function. So here is the print and print. So how to write print is easy. Just write print, bracket open, bracket close, and use quotes in there, and you can write anything. So it is really easy to write code in Python, and it is a really useful language to learn because everyone is using that language for internet, IoT, and stuff. That you can use this thing, Python, to work in your office. So this is the print function. If I control enter it, it will print my name. So print what, and you can write anything here, like, so you have uh, two quotes there. So this is YouTube. I write it YouTube and it pasted YouTube. So that's how the print function used in Python. If I shift enter this, the cell will run and I will have a new cell. You can insert it from here to above or below. And now print YouTube, and now I can just just print the YouTube without having print. So you will always need a bracket for that. So YouTube, but this will come in single quotes. It not come easy in way, but it comes with single quotes. You can use single quotes here too, but the single quotes come here. So I just shift enter it. And the next thing, easy thing, is variable. So variable is, if you want to make a variable, you have to use this is equal to sign. And so how to variable, like here is like equation, x is equal to 5 and enter, and y is equal to 10. So now I can do x plus y, and it will print 15. If I and I can do x minus 5, it is minus 5 because we have to do it like this, and x y minus x, it will be 5. So same as divided by, it will return 2, and it is always a float. When you divide something, it is always a float, and multiplied by, it is 50. You can use all 5 conditions in Python, 4 conditions in Python for mathematics. Numbers are always green, this is orange when you make it a string. When you use double quotes and you write a word or something here, it is always a string. It is called string. Here this is the string, and here this is the string. So you can make these string too, but it will not make a addition or subtractions with. You can just add it like y plus x. It will be like 105 stuff. Yes, it will 10 5. It is like what it did is 10 and plus 5 means 5. It is like this. So that's how the variable stuff is used. And we can write really easy words and stuff here. I just make this thing easy. So now I can just write some easy small codes. I have some codes here in the YouTube notebook. So this is a login code. I'm just copying it because this notebook doesn't work anymore. So when you use def and do this stuff, if else, I did if else here, and a small codes that is equal to and some 4 parameters and print functions that we learned, variables. So input is a really funny thing. I love it. It is not funny, but it is really useful. So I will have to insert cell. So input is a variable too, that x is equal to input, and it have to have a bracket open bracket close. You can just run it with control enter. It will not ask anything. It will just pop up a window that you can write anything and it will just stay there. But you can ask something that what is your name, and you have to give a space in this thing because it don't gives a space here. If I don't give a space here, it will ask me right away. Okay, it is running. It takes some time because it needs, okay, the internet. It is because of internet, the loose connection. Sorry, I'm just fixing it. It is running. So input is like you can run. It asks you first that what is your name, and it will run then. So it is now available. So I just click on it. If your internet is gone, no problem. It will say some that is failed and error, but no problem. You have to just reset the kernel, and that is really important, that you have to reset the kernel, because anything wrong happens, your Chrome browser freezed, anything happens, just restart and it restarts the kernel. But it takes some time, so we will just create a new notebook. So how to create a notebook? Always choose Python 3. You can use 3.6. This is Untitled 3. I make it YouTube 3 and rename it. So I can just tell you how it is. So I shift enter it. What is your name? It asks me what is your name. So my name is Sneha. So it will not give a space here because I didn't give space here. So if I give a space here, it will have a space. See, here is a space. So Sneha will print just one step forward. So if I say X, then it will say X. So that is a string, so that's how it works. If I use print X, so X is now a saved file, that it is now saved in this notebook, that X is equal to Sneha. If I print X, it will print Sneha here. That's the things here work. In Python, it is really easy to understand that how it works. After some time run you can do these types of course. If you want to do these types of course, you can do the course, or just email me, or just subscribe my channel. I will show you everything here on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel. And so it is asking me for username, and it is asking me for password, and please enter the username. It was create the password, now it is I have to enter the username. So Sneha, and so I entered the wrong password, and it said that your password is wrong. So same as here, if I enter so A is the username, B is the password, and please enter the username. I enter the wrong username and enter the password right. Wrong username, it tells me that username is wrong. See, the username is A and enter is B. So this is the self checking here, and the login is defined here. So I have to use 4 inputs for username, and I can just print it here that I want to log in. It will do same thing here. So my username was A. So A, you are welcome. So welcome. That's how the things work in here. So always save your notebook, and it will say no, I just don't want to save this. I want to save this one. And that's how stuff works here. If you want to learn with my friends, me and my friends learn on Google Meet. So if you want to learn with us, you can just email it. I will learn with you will learn with me and my 2 friends. So thanks for watching.